Check out this YouTube channel. There's a channel that's uploaded only 8 videos, but already racked up over 19 million views and over 198,000 subscribers. That kind of growth is incredible. After taking a closer look, it's clear that every video on their channel is made using AI. Their strategy is simple but super effective. They use map animations, AI-generated images with slight motion effects, voiceovers, and captions. Every video follows this same formula, and it's working like a charm. I even did some extra research and found other channels using the same method. Guess what? They're all pulling in massive views. This proves that this niche is evergreen and still in high demand, making it a golden opportunity for anyone willing to dive in. In this video, we're going to follow the exact same steps these successful channels use, starting completely from scratch. We'll set up a brand new channel, create a professional banner and logo, and produce our first video using free AI tools for voiceovers and animations. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have everything you need to start your own AI-powered channel and tap into this booming niche. So, without wasting any time, let's get started with the first step, creating a professional channel setup that stands out and grabs attention. To make this process super easy, I've already set up a Google Doc for you. Just open it and find the section labeled Channel Name. Here you'll see a prompt, copy it, and paste it into ChatGPT. This prompt requesting ChatGPT to generate 50 unique and creative YouTube channel names for a channel focused on history documentaries. In just a few seconds, you will receive a list of channel name ideas for your channel. Pick a name that feels right to you. Once you've chosen one, do a quick YouTube search to make sure it's not already taken. If it's available, you're ready to set up your channel. Simply click on your Google profile icon in the top right corner and select Create New Channel. Paste your chosen name into the provided field and click Create Channel. That's it. Your YouTube channel is now live. Click the Customize button to access your channel settings. Here, we'll add a compelling description to introduce your channel to viewers and improve its visibility. To do this, open the Google Doc and copy the text under the channel description section. Then, paste it into ChatGPT along with your chosen channel name. ChatGPT will generate a short, SEO-optimized description with relevant hashtags to help your channel get discovered. Once you have the description, simply copy it and go back to your YouTube channel. Paste it into the channel description section and hit Publish to save the changes. Next, go to Settings, then navigate to the Channel section. In the keyword search feature, paste your channel name 2 to 3 times, along with the hashtags from your description. This step is essential for optimizing your channel so that YouTube's algorithm can understand your content correctly and recommend it to the right audience. With your channel now properly set up, the next step is to design a logo and banner to make it visually appealing and professional. To create a custom logo and banner for our channel, we'll use AI to generate high-quality visuals that match our brand's identity. First, we'll copy this and ask ChatGPT to create text-to-image prompts that will guide the AI in producing the perfect designs. Once we have the prompts, the next step is to use an AI image generation tool to bring them to life. For this, we'll use Leonardo AI, but you can also try any AI platform you prefer. To get started, sign up using your Google account. If you'd rather not use your main email, a temporary email will work just fine. After signing up, you'll be taken to the AI's image generation interface. Here, click on the option to generate images, and you'll see various AI models available. For this project, we'll use the Flux model, known for its high-quality output. Next, it's time to adjust the aspect ratio to fit YouTube's requirements. For logos, choose a square aspect ratio, 1:1, to ensure it looks perfect. You can adjust additional settings for more customization if you desire. Once everything looks good, copy the initial prompt from ChatGPT and paste it to let the AI generate logos. If you're not satisfied with a logo, feel free to try out different prompts. Once you've selected the logo you like, simply download it and upload it to YouTube. To create a banner, simply copy this text and paste it into ChatGPT. It will generate prompts for the banner. Copy the first prompt and paste it into the Leonardo AI prompt box. When designing banners, make sure to choose a rectangular aspect ratio of 16:9 to ensure proper display. Click Generate to create your banner images. If you like the first batch, simply download them. If you're not satisfied, don't worry. You can try again by using the other prompts we generated earlier. Just copy each prompt one by one and paste it into the AI tool. Since we have multiple prompts, we'll get a variety of designs to choose from, ensuring we find the perfect fit for our channel. This particular design looks fantastic, so I'm going to download it now. I'm holding off on uploading the banner directly to YouTube, and here's why. YouTube automatically stretches banner images to fit different screens, which can distort or crop your design. Instead, I'm using Canva to take full control and make sure it looks perfect on mobile, desktop, and TV. Start by opening Canva and searching for YouTube banner. Choose a blank template, then upload a banner size guide. It shows you the safe zone, where your logo, channel name, and tagline should go. That box in the middle, that's your target area. Anything outside of it might get cut off on smaller screens. I have provided the link to this template banner below, so I'll set it as the background. Now bring in our AI-generated banner image. First, remove the background of the banner with a free tool, then upscale it so it stays crisp. Upload the updated image to Canva and make sure it fits neatly within the middle box. For a polished look, add a clean black background behind your graphic. This keeps the design sleek and professional. Once everything's lined up, download your finished banner. Next, upload it to YouTube channel to give it a professional and polished appearance. Once it looks perfect, you're ready to hit publish. Our channel is now fully customized and ready for uploading. Now it's time to create our first video for the channel. Let's move on. To create an engaging video, the first thing we need is a great script. There are two methods for writing an engaging, long-form script. The first method involves using a template that I've already created for script writing. Simply go to the Google Doc and copy the first part under the script prompt section. Then return to ChatGPT, paste it here, and add the country name for the history video you want, such as the United States or any other country. When you enter this prompt, please make sure to enable the search option, as this will help us get better results. After a few seconds, ChatGPT will provide a detailed and engaging script for video. Copy this script and paste it into the Google Doc. Next, copy the second part and paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will generate the second part of the script for your video. After you receive it, copy this part and paste it into the Google Doc under the first section. Then copy the third part and paste it into the ChatGPT box. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will provide the detailed part for your video. Once you receive it, copy this part and paste it into the Google Doc. Now that you have a complete, detailed, and engaging script for your video, check it for errors and ensure that everything is perfect. Here's another simple and effective way to write scripts using proven content. To make sure your video has the best chance of performing well, start by choosing a topic that's already gone viral. Go to one of your competitors' YouTube channels, then sort their videos by most popular. If you find a video with millions of views, there's a good chance it has a strong concept and script that captured the audience's attention. Once you've found a video you like, copy its link and head over to a tool called DubDub. This platform helps you generate content quickly and offers a 3-day free trial, so you can try it out without paying. After signing up, you'll be taken to the homepage where you'll see a list of tools. Click on the AI transcription feature, paste the video link, and let the tool generate a full transcript in just seconds. Since we don't want to copy anyone's work directly, the next step is to rewrite the script while keeping the original storyline. DubDub makes this easy with a built-in rewrite button. Just click it, and the tool will generate a completely new version of the script that's unique, but still based on the same topic. If you prefer, you can also use ChatGPT to help rewrite and polish the script further. To make editing more comfortable, copy the new script and paste it into a Google Doc. Read through it carefully to make sure it flows naturally and make any changes where needed. Even though AI tools are helpful, it's always smart to double-check for grammar, clarity, and overall tone. Now that our script is ready, let's move on to the next step, voiceover. There are many tools available today for creating voiceovers, but one of the most impressive options right now is 11 Labs. 11 Labs voices sound incredibly real, so much so that most people wouldn't even realize they're not human. The best part? You can get started completely free, which is perfect if you're just launching your channel. To begin, head over to the 11 Labs website and create a free account. After signing up, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, click on the Voices tab on the right, then go to the library. Here you'll find a wide range of voices with different accents, tones, and personalities. For YouTube videos, a clear and friendly American male voice usually works well because it's easy to understand and appeals to a wide audience. To find the most natural sounding options, click on the 3-line menu near the search bar and apply the Professional Voices filter. Also, be sure to select English as the language and choose the American accent for consistency. This will narrow the list down to the most realistic voices available. Once you find a voice that matches the channel's tone, click Use next to it. It'll be added to your personal voice library, ready for generating speech. Keep in mind that 11 Labs has a character limit, so you won't be able to paste your entire script at once. Instead, break your script into smaller sections. Around 300 words each works well. Now, go to your script in Google Docs, copy the first 300 words, and paste them into 11 Labs. Click Generate Speech, and the tool will instantly create a high-quality voiceover for that section. When it's ready, just click the download icon to save the audio. Repeat this process until you've created and downloaded voiceovers for the entire script. This method is not only fast and easy, but it also gives your video a professional sound that's ready to capture your audience's attention. Once the voiceover is complete, we can move on to syncing it with visuals and animation. Next, we need to create visuals and map animations for a video. For this purpose, we will use ChatGPT. Copy this part from the Google Doc and head over to ChatGPT. There, explain that you've written a script and need text-to-image prompts, as well as detailed prompts related to map animation. ChatGPT will ask you to provide the script, so just copy and paste it in. Once it processes the script, it will generate the visual prompts that you can use to create images in AI tools. We will be using Leonardo AI and Piclumen AI to generate the images. In Piclumen AI, you can create an unlimited number of images, while Leonardo AI offers a few free credits each day, which should be sufficient to complete your visuals without needing a subscription. First, we will use Leonardo AI. Open the tool and create an account. After that, click on the large image creation button in the center. This will bring up a text box where you should paste the prompts provided by ChatGPT. Before generating images, make sure the settings are correct. Set the preset to Phoenix 1.0 to enhance the realism of the images, and adjust the image dimensions to 16:9 to ensure they fit YouTube's long video format. After hitting Generate, Leonardo will take a few seconds to produce the images, and they typically turn out very well. However, if Leonardo AI does not generate the exact images we need, we will try Piclumen AI. From there, continue using the prompts from ChatGPT to generate images for the video, maintaining the same style reference. Once you've created all the images that match your video's theme and style, the next step is to make them more dynamic by adding movement. While still images are certainly appealing, animating them makes them much more engaging and visually captivating. To achieve this, we'll use two AI tools called Pixverse and Kling AI, which can transform your static images into short animated clips. To get started, visit the Pixverse website and sign up using either your Google account or your email. After logging in, click on the Create tab to open a new workspace. If you haven't used it before, the page may be empty, but don't worry, that simply means you're starting fresh. There are advanced settings available, but you can keep it simple. Just upload your first image, type in a short prompt that describes the motion, which we've previously generated through ChatGPT, and let the AI handle the rest. Pixverse does an excellent job even without extensive customization. Once your animation is ready, you can easily download it. If the result doesn't meet your expectations, you can slightly adjust your prompt and try again. This process is quick and user-friendly, so you'll be able to animate all your images in no time. If at any point this tool doesn't deliver the exact result you need, you can try the Kling AI tool instead. For map animation, you can also use this website called mult.dev that makes it really easy, even if you've never done it before. Start by going to the site and clicking Create Map Animation. Then open the menu by tapping the three lines in the top corner and click Start. Sign up quickly using your Google account. Once you're logged in, click on Settings to customize your map. First, choose the map style that suits your video best. Something clean like Eco Style or a more realistic look like Earth Style. Then, make sure to set the aspect ratio to match YouTube's format so the animation fits your video perfectly. Scroll down and you'll find more cool options. You can show country names and flags and even pick the language you want the map labels to appear in. Next, go to the Route tab. Here you can add all the countries you want the animation to highlight, just like how the story flows in your video. You can also remove any unnecessary locations based on the prompts we generated. Once everything is set up, click Export, and your animated map will be ready to download. Watch it once to make sure it looks good. If you need to tweak anything, you can go back, adjust the settings, and export it again. And that's it. Now you've created animated clips for all your visuals. You'll be ready to move forward with building your video. The next step is to add sound effects, which can give your video a cinematic feel. Sound effects add emotion, create atmosphere, and make every scene feel more realistic and immersive. For this purpose, I recommend using websites like Pixabay or Mixkit. Personally, I prefer Pixabay because it has a large library of high-quality sound effects that you can use for free with no copyright issues to worry about. Simply go to Pixabay and search for the type of sound you need, such as whoosh for scene transitions, clock ticking, or low rumble, or drone, depending on what's happening in your scene. This step will significantly enhance your editing and ensure that your video sounds as professional as it looks. Now that everything is prepared, it's time to edit the video. I recommend creating one main folder and within it, making subfolders for different assets, such as one for voiceovers, another for video animations, and one for sound effects. Keeping everything organized will save you a lot of stress later on. Once everything is sorted, import the entire folder into Capcut and we're ready to start editing. Step 1 is setting up the audio. Drag your audio files onto the timeline and adjust their volume. Set the volume to between 80% and 100% so that your message is clear and easy to follow. At the start of your video, you'll want to add your hook. The hook is what grabs the viewer's attention right away. Next, it's time to add your visuals. Start dragging your animated scenes into the timeline in the order they were created, naming them like Animation 1, Animation 2, etc. When generating them earlier is very helpful, as it keeps everything easy to find. Crop each animation clip and match it with the voiceover, adjusting the timing so that what viewers see aligns with what they hear. If a new moment or topic is introduced in the voiceover, switch to the next visual clip. This part of editing requires your creative touch, as AI cannot fully accomplish this yet. Listen closely and ensure that everything flows naturally. If your voiceover has long pauses, cut them out so the audio sounds more professional. If you have enough clips, use this trick when a clip isn't long enough. For example, if you need a 10-second shot, but the clip is only 5 to 7 seconds long, cut it at around the 5-second mark, duplicate the clip, and reverse the second half. This is an easy way to add extra movement. Now, let's add transitions. Transitions are essential. They make your video flow seamlessly. Capcut has plenty of built-in options. Drag them between clips and experiment with different styles to see which fits best with your scenes. Finally, let's add sound effects. Sound effects are what bring everything together. Go through your video and consider what each moment needs. Just remember to trim and time each sound effect so that it only plays at the right moment. If it spills over into another scene, it will sound messy. When everything, visuals, voiceovers, and sound effects, is in sync, your video will look and sound like a professional production. Now that your video is almost done, it's time to add one final detail that can seriously boost engagement: captions. Captions make your video easier to follow, especially for viewers who watch without sound. They also help increase watch time and improve viewer retention. Luckily, Capcut makes this super easy with its built-in auto caption tool. Just click the auto caption option and it'll generate subtitles for your entire video in seconds. Once the captions are ready, you can customize them to match your style. Capcut offers lots of cool caption templates, so pick one that fits the vibe of your video. Want to make your text pop even more? You can adjust the font, size, color, and position to make sure it's easy to read and looks great on screen. Take a moment to preview everything. If it all looks clean and professional, you're ready to hit export. And that's it. Your fully edited, captioned, and polished video is ready to share with the world.